Hey everyone, Bella Care here with KB Tricks.
Hello.
Where are we, hon?
We are in Stillwater, Minnesota today.
What are we doing?
We're going to go get a hot dog.
Okay.
No, well, you should explain it better than me. But anyway, we're here to kind of explore the town and maybe, you know, who knows, we'll see what we come across today.
We're just going to walk down Main Street and kind of show you a little bit about this little town here on about as far east as you can get in Minnesota.
That is correct.
We're going to start out on the south side of town. This is the St. Croix River. And actually this is Wisconsin over here, and they just put in this bridge a couple years ago, which has really alleviated the traffic through downtown because they would have to, people would go to the lift bridge, and they actually have a couple of boats over here you can get boat trips for.
Yeah, they usually have like public cruises, they have dinner cruises, lunch cruises. So dinner cruise this evening, but actually there's quite a few weddings that are happening on board these today, according to the board over here.
Yeah, we saw a couple people in dresses and tux, and a little hot to be wearing a tux from my taste, but whatever. In fact, way off in the distance, kind of just under the bridge there, is a paddle boat out for a cruise. That'd be fun to go out on the water today. Nice breeze. Parallel with the river is this nice looking bike and walking trail that goes into downtown. I don't know how far this goes or where it goes to or from, but it seems nice and paved. I really wonder what the view looks like from those houses over the river. That has to be a gorgeous view all year. Made it from the riverfront over to the main street here. They actually have a sculpture tour. Looks like the first one we're going to find here is this elephant. Kind of mom and pop type shops we're going to come across. These businesses look interesting. They either look like they go into or right up in next to the rock face here. This is cute. I like this.
The turtle is fun.
Yeah, it's a turtle and he's got a big smile on his face. I like that. Wonder if there's a hidden Mickey in these. I like the sign. AC is on. Please come in. So something that's really neat is that these buildings are like repurposed. Like they're all like very old buildings actually. But they've remodeled them on the inside to make them useful for shops and
antique stores and candy stores and ice cream stores. You get kind of get the picture.
Yeah. And you don't want to be fooled by it because you want to go into these places because it might lead to other shops, not just one.
Just the one, yeah. There's a lot of places. There's actually several shops in there.
Yeah, it's like a little mini mall, and they all have like their own entrance and everything. We're going to continue north here. So you kind of see how like this building here is like an antique store, and it's kind of old style, and next to it will be like a t-shirt place with a lot more modern apparel to it. We have the intersection of Chestnut, and it looks like they close off the roads here so that they can have some outdoor seating. And this is also the street or the intersection that goes up to the lift bridge. So we say this is probably one of the landmarks in town. This is Leo's Malt Shop. They actually also have a outdoor window over here, but they have a grill, and again right now they have outdoor seating because the street's closed. Here's our next stop. Here's where we're going. We're looking for StillyDogs. There's the guy.
Hello, my friend.
What's up, Tone? This is my buddy Tony. He owns
StillyDogs.
StillyDogs here in Stillwater.
World famous.
Where are we at?
Stillwater, Minnesota. Beautiful, beautiful. You gotta come down. It's a town you'll never forget. You'll even move here.
What's the intersection you're at here though?
Oh, we're on Myrtle and Water Street, right by the gas station, under the clock tower, downtown.
And you got all kinds of hot dogs and toppings.
Hot dogs, toppings. I build to order. You're gonna eat it. Even if you don't like hot dogs, like I never did until now, and they're the best in the world.
Oh, they're very good.
Like
very
them?
good. You got customers, so I'm gonna let you go.
All right.
Oh, I gotta watch the master work here.
That's the one. I have some secret trade.
What's the secret to a good hot dog there, Tony?
I tell you, but I have to kill you, but celery salt is the key. Now, watch these. The secret is actually the water. I put the secret ingredients into the water to cook them. Look at that.
That's a big dog.
Now that's a big dog.
Got a Chicago style dog with all the fixings on it. Celery salt, and I don't know what else is on here. I didn't notice the sign. Hot dog cart only. Violators will be steamed. That's awesome seeing my buddy Tony. He just opened this hot car cut this summer, so go by and visit him. Again, he's off of Myrtle, off the main drag, about a block toward the river. How do you like your dog, hon?
Oh, it's fantastic. And just to add too, if you're not a hot dog fan, he also has veggie dogs too.
Oh, yeah,
so
yeah.
for vegetarians and vegans, he has veggie dogs for you too.
Because you had a straight up hot dog pretty much?
Yep.
But with some...
I did ketchup, mustard, and relish.
And he has a special relish that he...
Yeah, it kind of had a little bit of a kick to it. It was really good.
It was good, it was smooth. And,
nice heat.
Yeah, and I had the Chicago style, and I like that, so I just had the toppings that you saw in the video. We crossed the street here. We're gonna go and poke our head into Candyland. Oh, you don't see enough of these around anymore. They got the Linus statue, and he's got a bunch of chocolates. We are coming to pretty much the end of the main street, downtown type area. We're going up to this Staples sawmill, and down here they used to have the Zephyr.
The Minnesota Zephyr.
Minnesota Zephyr, which used to be over here, and that was a train thing where you can ride the train and eat a nice meal that is gone now. I'm not exactly sure how long.
It's been a few years.
It's been a few years. And no, don't miss the stuff down here at the end. There's still a couple of little shops down here. And pretty much the very end here is a Staple Mill Antique. This was an old mill that is now being used for this antique shop, but it still has that cool old architecture look to it with the stone. And across from the sawmill there, they have this sign here about the history of Stillwater and a map showing some of the historical locations in this area. If you want to go check out some historical finds, that's a good resource for you. We're gonna walk back toward our car on the south side of town, and to do that we just had to walk over a block or two. We're gonna take that walking path parallel with the river, kind of see what's down over on this side other than all this parking over here. Can't find a place to park. Try over here. So the next block up there is Main Street, and you can see the back patios of a lot of the restaurants and bars along Main Street that look out into the river. Coming up here on our left is the Stillwater lift bridge over by this gazebo here. And the way how this bridge works is if the boat is too tall, the bridge, not like a drawbridge, it will lift up here. We might see here because it looks like this one boat is going to be too tall for the bridge, so they're going to have to lift it here. So I'm not sure if this boat's waiting for clearance or if they're just making a U-turn. The bridge, I don't see any signs that it's going to go up here. Of course, it's very possible they have to wait for another boat to come by, so if they're going to put it up, they have to put it up for multiple reasons, not just one boat at a time. Here's a lift bridge, and it looks like it's for pedestrian traffic only now, but before they built that other new bridge for road traffic, a lot of traffic would come through here, and it would just be backed up through downtown. It's still fun to see this thing go up on occasion. We just stopped over here at Minnesota Nice Cream. And Carrie, what did you get? We were trying not to touch it, but it's hot, so we're gonna go have to go quick.
I got the bourbon caramel cone.
Oh, that
so I got vanilla ice cream. You could do any other flavor, but then brownies, whipped cream, chocolate chips, and a bourbon caramel sauce.
And I'm boring, and I just got a twist cone. So, how much was yours?
Mine was $6.
And how much was mine? Like
yours
$4?
Was $4, I think.
Something like that. Okay,
yeah.
Jump in there. That looks awesome.
Oh, that's good. I like the caramel sauce. I wish there was more of it.
That looks fantastic. Gonna see if I can get over here in time. Looks like the bridge is about to go up. There she goes. I can see a couple boats there going to come under there that are too tall for the bridge. Got another one coming from the other direction. This is nice, actually having a water bottle refill station over these restrooms. The walk along the river is very nice. It's beautiful today. A little on the hot side. We're in mid-90s today. Yes, it does get warm in Minnesota. And
it does get humid too. Hence why we can tackle Disney like we can.
We're just making our way back to the car, and it was nice, as I said, that this there's like a rest area here kind of next to the path along the river that has a water bottle refill station, so that's nice.
And restrooms. Restrooms are most important.
Oh, here they have this little trolley station. You can actually take trolley rides. A little tour. This says historic 45-minute tour along the St. Croix River. How much were those trolley rides?
$13.50 for adults. I couldn't see how much it was for kids.
For 45 minutes.
Yeah.
So that'd be nice, you know, just kind of let the breeze go through and check out the history of downtown Stillwater and the St. Croix River. Oh, whew, it is warm. Whew, that was fun. It was a warm day out, but it was fun. Did you have a good time, hon?
Yes, lots of fun.
Yeah, that's just a little walk through downtown Stillwater along the St. Croix River here in Minnesota. Again, go meet Tony with the StillyDogs. Tell him Bill and Carrie sent you. You know, have a good time, huh?
Oh yeah, there's so much to do down here that we didn't even cover. I mean, there's restaurants, there's breweries, there's wineries. It really is a fun town. Actually, one of these days, I wouldn't mind if we just came here, spent the night, and like had more time here.
Yeah.
It's so great down here.
You can easily spend the day.
Yeah.
We want to thank you for joining us. I'm Bill.
I'm Carrie.
Do us a favor, like, share, and subscribe so you're not out there. You're watching KB Treks. Until next time, good luck and have fun.
See ya.